All right, I'm recording. Are we ready for this?
For the whole thing?
Yeah, we ready.
Okay. And I know I said this earlier, but I'm going to say for the video. This is actually my worst nightmare.
Oh,
because
yeah.
I'm so bad at talking over the phone or explaining anything over the phone. Anytime somebody needs help over the phone, I have to like sit down.
All right, well, I guess we should do like some sort of introduction. So, Jonah, what's up with you? Who are you? Why are you here?
I'm here because I was forced against my will because I have more subscribers than you. I'm a software developer, and Crimson asked me to come and help him build a speed cubing timer in JavaScript. So now I have to tell him how to do that.
JavaScript? I thought we were doing HTTP.
Nope, that's Hypertext Transfer Protocol.
What the fuck did you just call me?
No, HTML is what you were thinking of.
Ah, right, yeah, that.
The HTML that we'll be doing is so minimal. Like, the JavaScript is going to be the biggest part.
So we're doing both. Damn, I'm going to be bilingual.
Okay, so I had you install Visual Studio Code.
Yeah.
That is my favorite code editor, so I'm most familiar with, like, the shortcuts.
This is better.
I had a professor who showed us code in Microsoft Word.
Why?
I don't know. He was like 60. He was like a system admin.
Oh my god! All right, is this what we're doing? What?
Yeah.
The hell is this?
I'm gonna be completely honest. I do not even remember like how to open a folder in this. Yeah. Oh yeah. Click open a folder. Click open folder. Thank goodness your welcome window is working. So just find a place where you want this project to be.
What should we call this timer?
You see, the hardest part of any programming venture is deciding the name. I'm not graduated yet, so I haven't had that class.
Let's just call it H.
So over on the left side is going to be your project structure. That's going to be like the tree of files.
Okay.
So if you just right click and anywhere in there and just do new file and do h.html.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Now, before we start, just right click on the file you just created in the tree. Mm-hmm. Do copy path, and then open like a Chrome browser, and then just like paste it in there, and then that's how we're gonna see our changes reflected in the project. So since we haven't typed anything in there, it's gonna be completely empty. But the fact that it didn't error out means that it's loading it right. So I believe. No, so here's a little trick actually for HTML. So yeah. Why don't you do that and then save that and then reload the page and see if it's doing that.
Nope.
Perfect. It did do it. It did. Go back.
Oh wait,
tab,
really?
The tab title.
Oh my god.
So okay, so delete that and then type a single exclamation point, and then press enter.
What?
Okay, so press tab twice and then change that to be whatever you want the tab title to be.
There we go.
Okay, and then press tab one more time, and now you're in the body of the page.
Ah, I see. What do we put in the body?
So type H1 for header 1, and then I guess type like what you want the timer to like look like. So like minutes and seconds and then millisecond. However, I don't really know how that's usually formatted. All right, and that is basically all of the HTML we're going to be doing. So I'm going to walk you into the world of JavaScript. So why don't you save that and then open that up in the tab. It's going to look really bad right now, but we can make it look a little bit better later with CSS. So you're actually going to be trilingual.
Oh, wow. Wow, look, it's everything I typed.
Okay, so create a new file and call it whatever you want, but make sure it ends in .js. Classy. Okay, so go back to the HTML file and you have to link them up.
Oh, wait.
Go to where it says script the first time, like right at the end. In the script tag, you want to put a source attribute. And then in quotes, you want to type h.js.
Excellent.
So now they're linked up.
Okay,
so if you save that and then go into your JavaScript file, we can actually test to make sure that it's working. So type window.alert and then parentheses. And then in quotes, just go crazy. And then when you reload the page, it should call you some mean words. So that's how we know it's working. Okay, so now here's the fun part because I didn't rehearse for this. So I
fantastic.
what to do. So back in your JavaScript file, delete the profanities and all of just the whole first line. Usually I could just type things out and like see if they work. but now I have to say it. We need an expression, so we need to do equals, and then type document dot get element by ID. What we can do is we can, if you go down another line, you can actually type timer dot inner text, and then you can make that equal to like whatever you want. So it could be like, you know, whatever you want it to be. And maybe it can, I don't know if it can be a number or not, but we can find out. Yeah, see what that does. See if that screams at you. Yeah, that screamed at you. So can you pull up the, can you go back to Chrome and open the web tools and look at the console? Because if it's not working, it'll tell us why.
I see.
Oh, the D is capital. It needs to be lowercase.
This D?
Which is silly. Yeah, which is silly, but that's...
Wow.
I didn't even think of that. Yeah, so, you know, my job is to, about 10% of the time, write code, and the other 90% of the time, find out why I didn't realize the D was capital.
You want to see, so like this timer is actually like pretty nice. Like it's got a nice UI, but yeah, this is the timer that people used before this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
How old is this?
Probably like 10 years old or something like that. Oh God.
Well, I mean, we'll change our timer to be different.
So we're going to have a better timer than this.
It actually won't be, but... Okay, so that second line is how we would manipulate the text of what's on the screen. So we actually don't want that quite yet. Okay, so delete that line.
Wait, I want to try something.
The scroll bar's at the bottom.
Beautiful.
And then type create interval where the I in interval is capitalized. That can't be right. Hold on. And so using this now variable, we can actually, why don't we do something simple? Why don't you go down a line and do timer.innerText like we did before, and then do equals now.get seconds, and then do the parentheses again, because that's a method call. So if you save that and then run it, it should start with like 0 and slowly start counting up.
Whoa, we made a clock.
So yeah, so that's just how many seconds have passed since the page loaded. But we're going to be using this concept to drive the timer. Why don't you, at the end of the 5th line, so right at the end of the get seconds, why don't you do a plus, and then in quotes do like a colon like you had before, and then do another plus on the other side, and then do now.get milliseconds. And this might be weird, so do that. This might look a little goofy, and so we're going to have to run... Oh, there you go. Go back. You have to do the parentheses. So this might look a little weird. So you can see that the number is actually, when it's below 100, it's actually truncating, and that's pretty undesirable for the most part. So we're going to have to, and I'm gonna have to look it up because I don't remember how to do it. I always hope it's the first Stack Overflow answer, but it never is. Just get the...
Nothing. Don't worry about it.
You fool. Here, we're gonna do something a little hacky. At the end of now.get milliseconds, just do plus and then quotes with nothing in them, and then that should fix it. So basically what we're doing, this is our padding. So we're just prepending it with zeros.
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful.
So now it's not glitching over. Okay, that was relatively painless.
Right. So that is kind of hacky, but it works.
Well, the while isn't the hacky part. It's the fact that I said to put a plus in empty quotes after the now.get milliseconds to make it a string. That's really bad practice.
No, this is revolutionary. This is not bad practice. This is the new norm. This is revolutionary right here, okay? No one's ever done this before. Yeah. This is...
Elon Musk wishes he could be us right now.
Exactly.
All right, so now what's left is the space bar.
Yes.
So now I have to think more about what to do. That's the other... So, sorry, I lied earlier when I said the 10%, 90% thing. 10% of my job is to write code. 70% of it is looking for bugs, and the other 20% is me just on the internet trying to figure out what to do. Okay, so do an if statement here. So do if in the parentheses, type... E dot, and then it's like key code, I think. Yeah, key is fine, just key. Key code is deprecated, I guess.
I'm deprecated.
Oh, the key press event itself is deprecated.
I have deprecation. It keeps me up at night.
Okay, so now we need to see if this is equal to 32. Just to make sure this is working, do another window.alert like you did before. We just need to make sure that the spacebar is actually doing it. That's not it.
Is it not it? Is it not?
To put it in the parentheses and put in quotes.
Yes. I knew that. Okay. No.
I'm not gonna do it. You have to put it in the parentheses still.
Parentheses and quotes?
Yeah. Well, the parentheses is because you're calling a function, and the quotes is because it takes a string. So press space and then see if that...
It's not doing it.
Dang it!
What is 32?
Well, that was supposed to be the space.
What about 1? What is 1? What is the first key?
1 is definitely not it. Hold on, wait. Get rid of the 32.
Mm-hmm.
And then in quotes, type space with a capital S and see if that works. I'm gonna be so angry if this is actually it.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, dude. Why? Why would that not be a number?
Wait, okay. So then can I like just type...
Well, that won't work. But yeah, you can do like whatever, I guess, in that. It might need to be a lowercase e.
Nope.
Actually, you're gonna laugh. The code is 69.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Still not, still. Oh, fuck!
Now we know that it works. So delete that second curly brace.
Okay. Oh, fuck.
Oh my gosh.
That?
And then go to line 14. Go to the end of line 14.
Mm-hmm.
Then enter down and type another curly brace.
Should it be tab?
Yeah. It doesn't really matter. You can. It's gonna keep doing it. It's gonna keep snapping it. You have to tab. It. Okay. So then what you can do is you can actually select all of the whole like interval equals center interval, like that whole block. Yep. There you go. You can actually press tab. It'll tab all of them over.
Beautiful.
Okay. We're almost there. We're so close.
Look, this looks like a heart. Wow.
You can actually, the space doesn't need to be there, so you could make it a heart.
Beautiful.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Not in a month.
Who knows? Yeah. Well, given the fact that most of the projects we work on together take over a year to come out, I'm not really expecting.
Listen.
And then go down one more line and set interval to undefined. So that's interval equals and then just undefined. All right, save that. And then why don't you try that? So that should work.
That's beautiful.
And then if you do it again, it should start it over. Yeah.
Okay, so it's... Oh, if I hold... Excuse me?
Hey, man, I don't... So, I mean, you could change it. You could change it to on key, like up maybe. And then if you wanted to do the thing where you like hold the spacebar down and then let go.
Yeah, because that's like a pretty important thing.
That's pretty standard. So like, I think it's on key up. You can see if that works.
Beautiful.
Does that work? Does the timer stop when you press and hold the spacebar down?
Oh, no, it doesn't.
Only stop when you make it go up. That's fine. That can be a bug. That can be like a bug that we leave in.
Excellent. It's not a bug, it's a bug. What did I just do?
So, I mean, we could move some stuff around so it makes sure that like on the key down, it'll stop the timer.
Nah,
it's too much work.
Cyberpunk 2077 costs $60. Yeah, because you know how much this is going to cost?
How much were you paying me for this? Because that's how much it costs, I guess.
Yes.
If you want to make it look nice, we can do that really quick in the HTML file.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, where does this happen? Can you please delete the lorem ipsum text?
But it's the name of the timer.
It is not the name of the timer. Call it anything else that is not super long. Okay. All right. Nope. Oh. Okay. All right. I see what you're doing. You invite me on for collaboration, but then you're going to mock me in front of all of your viewers. Oh, thank you. Okay, so in the head tag, so you want to like enter down from the title, basically. So
that
no type style
like that.
Yep, and then enter down, and then we can make this look a little pretty. So this is going to be CSS, which I'm not awesome at, but I know enough of how to make this look nicer. So
can it look
in
as good as this?
Yeah, it'll look okay. Okay, so type H1, and then in the curly braces, we'll be giving attributes to, like styling attributes to the timer. So in there, what you're gonna do is you're gonna type font-family, and then pick any of those, but the best one is gonna be like Verdana at the bottom. Oh no.
Oh no.
Wait, go look. It's gonna be like the meme text. It's gonna be
Okay, but I did that as a joke, but like it's literally the font they used here.
Yeah, it's a pretty popular font.
Does Comic Sans not?
I don't think Comic Sans is a web font. Wow. You would have to like in quotes do the whole thing. It might work for you because you're on Windows.
Nope.
Let's go back to Impact. I like how that looked.
Yeah.
So the next attribute you want to put on here to like center it horizontally. If you want to center it horizontally, which we do.
Right.
Then enter down to do another attribute and do text-align, and then then do center. And then save it, go back and look and see if that worked because it may not have.
Yes. Beautiful.
Okay, so next do margin-top.
I know how to spell margin.
Do like 100 and then type px for pixels.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and so that'll make it go further down the page a little bit.
Perfect.
And then we can make it bigger. We can make the font bigger. So do like font-size, and then do like 100 pt for point.
Beautiful.
Oh, that looks so weird.
It's like vibrating.
So the reason for that is because it is not like a monospace font. So then don't do that. Do like Consolis or something. Whatever I forget what is it called?
What font does CS Timer use?
They probably downloaded one
and like installed it on the website.
Yeah, you can do that. I just didn't want to go look for one. Or Courier New. So do Courier New. Do the one that showed up with Courier New, because that'll work for sure. So if you save that and then load the thing, then it looks like a ransom letter, but that's okay. So I mean, yeah, there you go. That's a timer.
Can we like make the background a color?
Yeah. So like you can enter down a couple of times, and then just for that, you can do a background color, and you can do like RGB. You don't have to do like the pre-built ones, but the pre-built ones are good for seeing if it works. Oh
wow! It like shows me.
Yeah, VS Code does.
It's awesome. Yes.
Wonderful. Oh yeah. My eyes are bleeding.
Can I have a
Yeah, you can do color. That'll change the color of it. Oh no, please don't do that. Alright. So that's how you make a timer in JavaScript and HTML. There you go. Look at that.
I wonder if
we're making a work of beauty.
Is this how you wanted to spend your Saturday?
Yeah. What have you done?
Well, first of all, I got a nice font.
You need the URL.
Right.
Background image.
I was trying to do that, but
you don't need a media query.
Okay.
So in the background image at the bottom, the attribute in the body.
Uh-huh.
You literally type URL parentheses around what you have.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my goodness. What? Why did I agree to come here? I need
a nicer image. Something even better. Okay, yeah, this works. Does it work with JPEGs?
Yeah. Dude, come on. No. I looked good in that picture, bro.
You did. Wait, what if I like...
No, okay. You could do that. And then just display a different timer over it. This is just a disaster of a project.
What, did you expect me to come in here and make that?
It's too big.
No, look, it's fine. It's fine. And then we can just move this down like 300. And it's gone. Oh.
That's so bad.
Wait, I can fix this. I can make this good. I can make this good using Microsoft Paint. I can just
draw the black over it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go.
This? Oh, that's I want it to fill with. Oh, fuck.
Why?
How do I
just click the black color? No, like the palette is right next to it. Click on color 2 and click the black. There you go. It should just work. Yeah, there you go. Look at that.
Beautiful. And then what's the 67%? You have to have it at 67% zoom in order for it to.
Oh my gosh, dude.
This actually looks like CS Timer except stupid.
This needs to be like we need a clickbait. Like, we remade CS Timer, and you have to have like that in the thumbnail.
That's the name of this video.
Or we like clearly did not remake CS Timer.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. I think we're done with this. Can I allow people to download this? Like, would that be how would I let people download this?
So you can zip it and then have somebody download it, and then all they would have to do is just open the HTML file in their browser.
Right.
I really don't want to put this like on my website.
No, this is going on your portfolio, on your professional portfolio. Right, so I guess we should do an outro now. So thanks for watching. If you want to buy the products featured, you can buy them on speedcubeshop.com. Yeah, this timer will be available on speedcubeshop.com for download for $1.99. No, that's completely false. I'm gonna put this for download in the description if you want to download it for whatever reason. If you enjoy brain damage, you can download this. Yeah, anyway, subscribe to... What's your name?
Jonah.
Alright.
Just link to my channel in the description.
Yeah.
You're not going to find me through... Yeah, that's
Alright, yeah, this is him. Great, yeah. The link to his actual channel will be in the description. And also, I don't know if it'll be out by the time this video's out, but he's working on an album. I will have one of the songs from the album playing right now. And if you like that, go check that out, because that's actually like you tell me, how long did you spend working on that? Like over a year, this album?
I spent around a year on it.
Yeah.
The quality of my album is significantly better than the timer that we built today.
Yes. That is correct. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, you're the guy that goes, at the end of all my videos. That's you. That's him. That's him. Excellent. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, okay, bye.